When we experience physical symptoms, it is natural to worry about our health. However, for some individuals, this concern can become excessive and overpowering, leading to significant distress and impairment in daily functioning. This cluster of disorders, known as somatic symptom and related disorders, encompasses three specific conditions, which are somatic symptom disorder, illness anxiety disorder, and conversion disorder. Understanding these disorders is crucial in order to provide appropriate support and treatment for those who are affected by it. Hi guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, we'll explore somatic symptom and related disorders. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. So let's get into it. Somatic symptom disorder is characterized by the presence of persistent, distressing somatic symptoms that are associated with excessive thoughts, feelings, and behaviors related to those symptoms. People with somatic symptom disorder often experience physical symptoms that are either disproportionate to a medical condition they have or difficult to explain medically. These symptoms lead to excessive worry and preoccupation and fears of having a serious illness. The distress associated with somatic symptom disorder can significantly impact daily life, causing impaired social and occupational functioning. Illness anxiety disorder, previously known as hypochondriasis or health anxiety, involves excessive worry about having a severe medical condition despite little or no evidence. Unlike somatic symptom disorder, individuals with illness anxiety disorder may not have significant physical symptoms but experience anxiety and preoccupation with the possibility of having an illness. They may constantly seek reassurance from medical professionals or engage in excessive checking of their body for signs of illness, leading to medical appointments and tests that yield no significant findings. Conversion disorder, also known as functional neurological symptom disorder, occurs when individuals present with physical symptoms suggestive of a neurological disorder such as paralysis, blindness, or seizures without any identifiable medical cause. These symptoms are believed to be a result of psychological stress or trauma, serving as a subconscious escape mechanism for emotional distress. It is essential to distinguish conversion disorder from genuine medical conditions, as proper diagnosis and treatment can help manage the underlying psychological factors and improve overall well-being. For all three disorders, psychological factors play a significant role in their development and maintenance. Emotional distress, such as anxiety, depression, or trauma, can intensify physical symptoms and contribute to excessive worries about health. Additionally, a person's interpretation of these symptoms can also influence their distress levels. Catastrophic thinking, which is amplifying the seriousness of physical symptoms, can worsen anxiety and impair functioning. It is essential to approach these disorders with a comprehensive biopsychosocial perspective that considers both the physiological and psychological aspects. A thorough evaluation by a qualified healthcare professional, such as a psychiatrist or psychologist, is crucial to rule out any medical conditions and assess the psychological factors contributing to the symptoms. Treatment of somatic symptom and related disorders focuses on both symptom management and addressing underlying psychological factors. Cognitive behavioral therapy is considered a highly effective approach, helping individuals identify and modify maladaptive thought patterns related to their symptoms. CBT also incorporates techniques such as exposure and response prevention, allowing individuals to confront the feared situations related to their symptoms and develop healthier coping strategies. Additionally, psychoeducation, support groups, and stress management techniques can provide individuals with the necessary tools to manage their symptoms and address the underlying psychological distress. In some cases, medication may be prescribed to manage anxiety or underlying psychiatric conditions associated with the disorders. Recognizing and understanding somatic symptom and related disorders is vital for early intervention and appropriate treatment. By addressing the complex interplay between physical symptoms and psychological factors, individuals affected by these disorders can find relief, improve their quality of life, and regain control over their health. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for quality mental health resources, please check out my Etsy shop. The link is provided in the description box below. If you like the content of this video, please like it and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. As always, thanks for watching.